our faith. If the preachers are propagating a wrong gospel, it will affect our economy. Why? Because Jesus said, you are the light of the world. Central bank is not the light of the world. Politics is not the light of the world. The presidents are not the light of the world. House of Assembly, they are not the light of the world. Aso Rock, they are not the light of the world. PDP, APC, they are not the light of the world. Who are the light of the world? The church is the light of the world. And if the church go wrong, the economy will suffer. If the church go wrong, the society will suffer. The Bible says you are the light of the world. A city set on a hill that can never be hidden. But when there is absence of light, when there is an absence of light, what happens? The environment will be full of darkness. So that means when the church go wrong, the economy, the nation will suffer the consequences. Because whatever the church is producing from the pulpits, it affects the economy. It affects the society. It affects everything around us. That is why the Bible says that the church is the light of the world. Not the politician, not the PDP, not the APC. The church. But when the church refuses to shine as the light, darkness will take over the environment. That is what is happening in our society today. That is why there is killing. That's why there is tensions everywhere. That's why there is hate. That's why there is covetousness. That's why there is greed. That's why our economy is at zero level. Because the church